Hi everyone, let's begin to solve this tricky math problem. First, we have to work inside the parentheses. 2 minus 6, it equals negative 4. And 2 minus 6 equals negative 4. And there is multiplication. Negative 4 multiplied by negative 4, it equals positive 16. But this is not correct answer. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to begin to work inside the parentheses, after that exponents, and then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Here multiplication and division have equal priorities, that's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And the same rule applies for addition and subtraction. Here according to this rule, first we have to work this, and 2 minus 6, it equals negative 4, and we have to copy the rest part of the problem. 2 minus 6 multiplied by negative 4, and according to this rule, first we have to work this, and here negative 6 multiplied by negative 4, it equals positive 24, and 2 plus 24, it equals 26. This is our correct and final answer. We can copy this answer. Here answer is 26. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and support me.